If the smart key doesn't unlock the door and you've had to use the emergency blade, that's most likely because the battery's flat in the smart key, and this is how to replace the battery. Remove the key blade by pressing and holding the release button. Insert a flat bladed screwdriver at the end of the smart key where the blade came out, and that releases the two side panels. The two body halves will come apart easily, otherwise you might need to use a flat bladed screwdriver. Remove the printed circuit board and avoid touching the battery terminals. Remove the old battery and insert a new CR2032 with the plus sign downwards. Avoid touching the battery with your fingers. Use a glove or hold it with a cloth.